Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be discussing how changing your transmission fluid can potentially cause damage to your vehicle. Body. Incorrect fluid type. Using the wrong type of transmission fluid can lead to damage. Make sure to use the recommended fluid specified in your vehicle's manual. Contaminated fluid. If the transmission fluid is contaminated with debris or old particles, it can lead to clogs and damage within the transmission system. Improper flushing. Improperly flushing the transmission system or not removing all the old fluid can cause a mix of old and new fluid, leading to inefficiency and potential damage. Overfilling or underfilling. Incorrectly filling the transmission fluid can cause issues with lubrication and cooling, leading to damage over time. Seal damage. When changing the transmission fluid, it is common practice to replace the transmission pan gasket and filter. If these components are not properly installed or seated correctly, it can lead to leaks and damage to the seals, causing fluid loss and potential transmission issues. Overheating. If the transmission fluid is not changed regularly, it can break down and lose its ability to properly lubricate and cool the transmission components. This can lead to overheating of the transmission, which can cause damage to internal parts and reduce the overall lifespan of the transmission. Air pockets. When changing the transmission fluid, it is crucial to properly bleed out any air pockets that may have formed during the process. Air pockets can prevent the transmission fluid from flowing correctly, leading to poor lubrication and potential damage to the transmission components. DIY mistakes. If you are not experienced in changing transmission fluid or do not follow the correct procedures, you may inadvertently introduce contaminants or air into the system, leading to damage over time. It is essential to seek professional help if you are unsure about changing your transmission fluid yourself. By being aware of these potential pitfalls and taking the necessary precautions when changing your transmission fluid, you can help prevent damage to your vehicle's transmission system and ensure smooth operation for years to come. Remember, regular maintenance and proper care are key to keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Thanks for watching.